before millions of people watched him, before brands wanted his face, before the internet turned him into one of the most recognizable creators in the world. He was just trying to make a living. Khabane Lame was born in Senegal and moved to Italy with his family when he was an infant. He grew up in Chivasso, near Turin. Nothing about his early life suggested that he would become a global internet star. He was, by his own description, an ordinary kid. And eventually, he got an ordinary job. He worked in a factory. Day after day, he worked. Then, in 2020, the pandemic changed everything. The factory job disappeared, and suddenly, he was back home, with time on his hands, and no obvious plan for what came next. Friends and family encouraged him to find another job. Instead, he picked up his phone. He started making TikTok videos. At first, almost nobody was watching, and people around him reportedly told him to get a proper job. But he kept making videos anyway, because at that point, he wasn't trying to become famous. He was simply trying to make people laugh, and that decision would eventually change his life.